Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos, subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. In our new series on doing business the right way, we have seen many videos, precisely 3 videos which talks about how anybody can start a business, focus on the domain skills and how somebody needs to decide on the offerings, what do they offer through their business, and how somebody can select the market, identify and select the market where they can start the new business journey, which will help them to grow. So in this line today we talk about the market structure. So after someone selected the market using the criteria we saw in our earlier videos, it is very imperative to understand the market structure, the market which they want to start their business with. The number one, it's very important. They should understand whether the market is uh, consolidated or fragmented. So when you say consolidated or highly concentrated, that shows the market is something which most of the competitors are there. The more companies are selling similar products and services. So that is what we call as a consolidated or highly concentrated. And fragmented means you may have a many players there, but still no player is having a full control over the market. But another way you understand the market structure is the market, when you go in for a highly concentrated market, normally the market is controlled by the top 2 players. We call them as a leader and challenger. Normally they will hold 80 to 90% of the market share. And rest of the players, they will control 10% of market share. So we call them as the followers. So in that way, when you go in for the highly concentrated market, there may not be a very big room for a company to begin with and start their business. So they have to focus on the rest of the 10% what they have. And they have to focus on which followers they have to take on and which market share they have to grab it. Because market structure, understanding market structure clearly gives an idea to company to know the type of market share which they are looking for, whether they can increase the market share, whether they have option of increasing the market share without attracting the competition from other players, or the market is so concentrated, it is very difficult for them to get into. So this is very important for them to understand. So after identifying the market, so they need to understand the market structure. The next one is a highly fragmented market. That means you have many players, but there is no clear leader or challenger. So everybody has a own pie, own market share. So still the company has an option to increase the market share and take over. But it is not always the company has the luxury of choosing the market where it is highly fragmented. At times you may have to get into the market based on the market selection. It is very potential lucrative, but the market may be highly concentrated. So what the company needs to do, that the new incumbent, so they need to focus on the rest of the market share which they can get, the rest of the players, leaving the leader and challenger, and look at the followers. So which followers are the weak one and which one they can take it. So that way they can slowly increase the market share, slowly grabbing the market share from the rest of the followers. So once the company start developing the market share and increasing their revenues and profits, slowly they can concentrate on taking on the challengers and the leaders. But initially the company should not get into competition with the leaders or challengers, because they are very powerful and they may not allow you to survive. So they may come out of new strategies. They will make you exit from the market. So this is what the market structure understanding is very, very important. So you can get into a fragmented market or the highly concentrated market, but according to the market, the structure, the company needs to work on the strategy of who they have to focus on. So if you get into the fragmented market, so you need to identify the weak players in that particular fragmented market. Slowly you can take over the market share. Slowly you can build up the particular market. And it may be possible that you can become a challenger or leader. You can be a winner in that particular market. So it is not always that unless you get into the market, you may not know actually whether the market is highly concentrated or fragmented. So, but both the ways, the company need to have the strategy ready, and they have to execute accordingly. So understanding market structure is very, very important. At times, if the company could know the market before they can get in about the structure, it's highly concentrated or the fragmented. But at times that market may be lucrative and that may be a growing market, so you cannot avoid actually, even though it is a highly concentrated market. So that is where the company needs to be very careful. So they need to make a decision accordingly, and they need to execute the strategies. So in that way, the understanding the market structure is a key for anybody who wants to do the business and start the business. So that will give a clear idea of which for the companies, which competitors you need to focus on. So in this way, the understanding market structure is very, very important. So these are all the steps if follow. Actually, this is how if somebody wants to do business, so this is how you can do the business the right way, the proper way, instead of just doing by using thumb rule or haphazard. So once again, thank you very much for continuously watching my videos and giving your comments and reviews and sharing with your network. And please ask your friends and relatives and colleagues to share and subscribe the channel, and let them also get a benefit out of it. So once again, thank you very much.